Step into the time machine and unravel the mysteries of yesterday. This is the History Files. Now venture into ancient Egypt, where a forgotten ruler's legacy remains shrouded in mystery. Get ready to uncover hidden truths. Welcome to the most anticipated moment in archaeological history. We've traversed the treacherous desert sands, braved the cursed tomb, and unraveled the mysteries of the pharaohs. And then, the pièce de résistance, the golden mask of King Tut, shining like the radiant sun, God Ra himself. November 4th, 1922, marked the day Howard Carter's team discovered the steps leading to King Tutankhamun's tomb. After years of searching, the treasure of the pharaohs was finally within reach. As Carter made his way through the tomb's antechamber, he stumbled upon the sealed door to the burial chamber. The air was thick with anticipation. What secrets lay beyond? And then the moment of truth. The golden mask, a sight to behold, gleaming with an otherworldly radiance. This majestic masterpiece is more than just a stunning work of art. It's a window into the soul of ancient Egypt's most enigmatic ruler. Behold the golden mask, a masterpiece of ancient Egyptian artistry. Every curve, every line, every intricately carved symbol whispers secrets of Pharaoh's past, a chronicle of power, majesty, and the unrelenting pursuit of immortality. Each delicate detail bears witness to the skilled hands that crafted this timeless treasure. The mask's composition is a marvel of ancient technology. The gold, weighing over 11 kilograms, was hammered and molded to perfection. The eyes, made of obsidian and quartz, gleam with an otherworldly intensity, as if the pharaoh's spirit still lingers. Behold King Tutankhamun golden mask, where Ankh and was scepter entwine, symbolizing his divine connection to the gods. This timeless masterpiece unravels civilization's secrets and humanity's enduring quest for eternity. Join us next on the History Files as we unearth more mysteries of the past.